Today I'll be showing you how easy it is to put together the wide gable box. First, fold the large pieces of the box out as shown. Then we'll add the panels on the front and back and the sides, as well as on the top openings, edges, or sides I should say. Once you have all the panels on, we'll attach the two using the first one of the side tabs. You want to glue it to the inside of the other edge, making sure that that edge matches up with the tab fold. It's always good to apply pressure against the table after you glue it. And then it's really easy because it folds flat. Put glue on the second tab, just fold it over, and that edge should match perfectly to the tab fold. There's a no glue bottom, so you fold in the area with the teeth first, and then the sides, and then that last piece just inserts there. Then all we have to do is close the box. So it'll fold down the way you see it, and then carefully you will to actually close the box after you have something in it. You go ahead and just insert those little side pieces into those openings. And that's it. It's easy as that. Just add your own sentiment for any occasion. You can even make it smaller, bigger. Smaller is probably easier than bigger. It's pretty big for a 12 by 12. So make it for a holiday or birthday or any occasion. Thank you for watching.